what the market is going to present to us to see if we can actually find a better setup that we can actually leverage on this week. Just like you remember our what we're actually looking out for. We want to see two break of structure with an FEG above or below the second BOS. Then we wait for price to take out the second BOS, like the high or low of that second BOS. Fill the FEG. After filling the FEG, mitigate our POI. So after the mitigation of the POI, then we can switch to lower time frame for confirmation entry. So once we have our confirmation, then we like that shows that we can actually take the trade. That shows that we can actually take the trade. So okay, this is yeah, this is odd JPY. So I'm taking it from odd JPY to the rest. So this is 4 hours time frame. For this 4 hours time frame, I don't actually have what I'm looking out for here. So the only I have this one BOS I have this and I have this zone here. So this is a break of structure, another break of structure. So above this eye, there is an FUG, an unmitigated supply zone. So this is 4 hours. So I will be waiting, and above that one too. Let's see. Okay, above that one too, we have this POI too. We have this. Actually, this is it. So I have two POIs here. So that's why I mark out this as a liquidity. So there's tendency for price to actually what I know is that price will actually take out one and react to the other one. This is on 4 hours time frame. Let's check 1 hour time frame. If we are going to have the same thing too. So for 1 hour time frame, as you can see, we have something different, not complete. We have this mitigation here. So after that mitigation, we have this POI. After that POI, then we have this liquidity pool. You can see trend line liquidity. Whether trend line liquidity or not, we shall have this inducement before that POI. So now, what happened is that this 1 hour time frame, just like this 4 hour, we have 4 hours structure and we also have 1 hour time frame structure. So now, what we can have is that this eye, I'm very sure, price will take out this eye. I'm very sure of that. Price will take out this eye. Then after taking out that eye, I expect to react to this POI. After the reaction, then we can have the sell. So I'll be waiting for which one is going to give a confirmation entry out of the three POI that I have. So, but I'm to some extent, I'm sure that price will actually take out this eye, react to this, or go for the one above. So let's see how it goes. I prefer checking the 4 hours first before like checking the what is it called, the 1 hour time frame. Yeah. Okay, looking at this, You can see we have this BOS inducement, and let's actually take this out, the eye out. Why? Because of the FUG above it. That's just the thing. That's just the one. So when there is an FUG above the zone, there is tendency for price to actually take it out. So now this is the next POI. So this eye is available as a liquidity for that POI. This is on 4 hours time frame. It's available as liquidity for that POI. So let's check 1 hour time frame. Yeah, you see we have similar reaction too. So just like what I was saying for that all GPY, that I may be taken out or whatever, you can see there is an FUG above it. So that's why price actually took it out. So we have the POI above that I. So the price is coming, as price is coming on, there's tendency for it to actually take out the I, mitigate that one. So that's what I can see. And we have this equalize. Yeah, is a liquidity equalize. That's a liquidity to be taken out. So I'm still going to wait to see what the reaction is going to be. But this is where I'm actually interested in. So let's go to the next one. So this is um GPJPY. As you can see, that's on that's where price first reacted to. Then what did price do? Price took it out and react to this weak zone. Can you see that? So price reacted to that weak zone. So you can see that I, like we have this BOS here, BOS, and another BOS. So the eye of the second BOS was taken out as a liquidity. Then price went up to the POI above it and mitigate it. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. Yeah. So on this 1 hour time frame, as you can see the POI. So on that 1 hour time frame, like the same thing, BOS, BOS, FEG above it, you can see price actually took it out. Um, I took this trade, it hit myself, took it out and go to the one above it. So that's just the thing. So on 1 hour time frame, we have similar reaction. We have this BOS here and this BOS again, this BOS, and there is an FEG equal lows below it. So I expected that price is going to buy from that area. Yeah, price is going to buy from that area. So on 5 minutes, okay, let me go to 15-minute time frame. On 15-minute time frame, I saw this stop loss on BO break of structure return to other block, and I was expecting that okay, that happened on Friday, so I was expecting that today price should pick the entry from that area, like it should respect this low. But this was Friday low, so which also serve as a liquidity. So price actually took that out and continuing the buy, but the what is it called? The the low is still protected. You can see price feel the FUG below that zone and mitigate the other block below it and continue the path. So this might not have happened, and this being we did not have Friday like the next day. And this being it happened during the day, there is tendency for price not to even drop to that low and continue the buy. Yeah, that is just it. So I'm still expecting a buy to possibly take out that high, but let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. For gold is still ranging. Gold is just ranging. I don't have much on gold. Yeah, Euro USD. For Euro USD, we have this BOS here, that level, and we have this second BOS, and these are available as a liquidity. There are two things that happen there. One on 1 hour time frame, second, this on 4 hour time frame. Like this high did not mitigate this POI. It did not mitigate it. It was when I was reviewing my trade I saw that on 4 hours time frame. Did not mitigate it. So like there are some entries there that can only be visible on 1 hour time frame. So I switched to 1 hour time frame. Okay. So as you can see, okay. Let me do it this way. The buyer is for us. Yeah, let me. That's what I want to start with this buy. Yeah. There is BOS here, one. There's another BOS above it, even after the mitigation, and we have this low available as a liquidity, and we have FUG below that low. Yeah, this is the FUG from here to here. Is the FUG. So I know price is going to take out that low, mitigate that. So it was this um this area was also taken out as a liquidity, and price mitigates the weak zone. So after the mitigation, you can see price rally up. It's rally up for another mitigation, for another mitigation. So now the second mitigation, now you can see price is reversing. So I'm still looking at the extent for price to actually go up like that and continue the sell. There is tendency. So let's go to 1 hour time so that we can see a clearer picture. Mhm. So this is 1 hour time frame. As you can see, the structure is more clearer here. One, two, mitigation, this going up, and the same thing. One for 1 hour time frame. One, two, FUG above one. This is the two. This internal structure. Two, FUG above this high mitigation, and like that's how it will continue moving. Price will be taking out liquidity and mitigate zones and drop like that. So the same, we still have similar reaction here too. We have this BOS here, we have that BOS. The actual BOS is here. Yeah, we have this BOS, and we have another BOS above it. So we have this low available as a liquidity. The low, this low is available as a liquidity, and we have this zone to be mitigated. Can you see? So we have similar thing here too, but this one does not have FUG. But I know the week above it is a supply zone, still supply zone that can actually push price lower. So I'm still waiting for what price is going to do. So I'll be waiting for a confirmation 5 minutes. If price actually pull back to that area, to then I'm targeting this liquidity, wait for another mitigation here to see if it will continue this bullish order flow, or it will continue the bearish order flow. Like internally we have the bullish order flow, but externally this is the external liquidity taking on. This is the last break of structure. So see if price is going to like continue that bearish order flow. So I'm still waiting for what price is going to like to do. So this GBP for GBP let's look at. So on GBP I have this BOS, I have another BOS, I have this high available as liquidity. And as you can see, price mitigate this zone and dropped to mitigate this other zone too. After mitigating this zone and invalidate itself. So on 1 hour time frame, I was expecting price to actually react to this zone as well, but it was also invalidated. So right now, what do we have on the chart? What do we have on the chart? We have series of SRC, but I'm not really cool with this. So like on this day period, I don't really okay have much here. We have this BOS here. We have that BOS. We have that. So, but for this GPSD, like I don't really have much. I'm still going to leave it for now. Let's go for the exam. What is clearer picture of the town? Yeah, you can see this is the clearer one. BOS, this high available as a liquidity. So I'm expecting price coming back to this zone for mitigation and continue the bearish order flow. This is just a clearer picture. So let's go to NSD. So for NSD, as you can see, this on the we have the clear picture on 1 hour time frame. So let me switch to 1 hour time frame. So for as you can see, this is 1 hour time frame. I wasn't able to see this page. I did the analysis there, but I was not able to see the page because I wasn't on chat as at when it was distributed to the confirmation. So we have this on 1 hour time frame. When I saw it, this is BOS. There is a BOS there. There is a BOS there, and there is another BOS also. Another BOS. So and this the FUG. So between this I and this PY, there is an FUG. I know this I will be taken out, and the FUG will be filled and mitigate that zone. So after that, you can see price rally down. So the same thing. This is another BOS, and this low FUG below it. You can see when the news was released, so it reacted to that place, took out this I as a liquidity and mitigate the supply zone around that area and continue the bearish order flow. This happened because the primary order flow is Like presently, we have the bearish order flow. Even as you can see, I was expecting price to sell from that area to come and take out this external liquidity, but price invalidated that and go for higher POI. On a lower time frame, there is an FEG above this high, above that high. That was why price invalidated my sell and went for that POI and continued the bearish order flow. So for now, I don't really like the setup is still playing out. That's what I have for now on this pair. The only thing I can see now is this area. That's what I can see presently. Price taking out this high. So let's see how it goes. Can see on 4 hours time frame. That's not feasible. So let's go to the next one. This trade as well, I wasn't able to pick the trade last week because I was not active on charts last week. Last week. You can see following the same route, BOS, another BOS. Then what did price do? This low did not mitigate this POI. So it was taken out. After being taken out, we saw the reaction. Okay, what made me not to pick this trade was that I was waiting for 1 hour time frame POI, but price did not get there. Yeah, I just remember POI to this, but price did not get there. So it used the 1 hour time. It used 4 hours time frame to continue the move, and after this break of pressure, you can see price actually came down and boom, we have the buy. So you just the same roll over and over again, over and over again. 1 hour time frame, 4 hours time frame. You can actually use it on any time frame. Let's say 30 minutes for your analysis, and you use 5 minutes or 3 minutes for your entry. You can even pick it on 15 minutes and you use 1 minute for your confirmation. Or you just when you have that on 15 minutes, you will not even wait for confirmation and you take the aggressive entry. So it depends on whatsoever you want to do. So for this Euro NSD, yeah, you can see this for hours time frame. We have this unmitigated zone and we have this high available as a liquidity. So price actually took out that high. I was expecting it to come and take out this external liquidity, but price did not do that. So I was expecting a re-entry. We have this internal BOS here. You can see change of character. You have that break of structure. Yeah, it is a break of structure. There is a change of character before that one, and we have another one here too. Internally, like for the internal structure, So I was expecting that price should continue the bearish order flow. So when price got there, that POI was the POI was I picked the POI on 1 hour time frame. Let me show you the clear picture on 1 hour time frame. You can see that POI on 1 hour time frame. That's the unmitigated zone. So when price got there, it was invalidated. Yeah, a bit. Okay, let's see. So it's equal and price showed a bit. Boom. So I was expecting that price to come down to this area where we have this BOS, and we have this trend line liquidity and FEG below it that. So I was expecting this kind of reaction, like price should come here and have a buy. That was what I was expecting, but price did not get there before taking the buy. So and for now, I don't have much on that on this. So let's check another pair to see if we are going to find a better one. I have a better setup on odd USD using the 4 hour time frame. So I'm still waiting to see what is going to happen. So this is GBP USD. So GBP USD, I also have a better setup on GBP USD. I'm still waiting for what price is going to do. We have this BOS and we have another BOS. This I is actually that I did not mitigate the POI, so it's available as a liquidity. So I'm expecting the price should rally up to this area, mitigate it, and sell. So that's what I'm anticipating on this Euro GBP. Okay, GBP card. Yeah, sorry. Euro card. We have this BOS, another BOS. This I is available as a liquidity, and this is the POI next to that I. But price has invalidated that one and it is going for the one above it. So, and I have another before the before price actually rally up to that level. I was expecting price to pull back to this area. Let me go to 1 hour time frame to show you what I actually saw. It made me to expect that price will come down. And so I have this POI here. We have BOS, this low available as an inducement. I was expecting price to put back to that um to this POI and take out this inducement, this high as an inducement. That was what I was anticipating, but price did not do that. So we have this here now. Price already at the POI. Let's check 15. Let's check lower time frame. Okay, we have this I and we have this I too. You can see price took out this low as an inducement and mitigate here. So for now, there's no confirmation on this on 15-minute time frame because the last break of structure has not been invalidated. Yeah, this low. This is the last point of mitigation. It hasn't been invalidated. At this being it has been invalidated, we have like a change of character showing that you can actually pick her self from this area, but it has not been invalidated. This can actually show that taking this cell is very risky. But if you go to 5 minute time frame, as you can see, it is still the same reaction. The main challenge is that at least being it wasn't from like Friday to Monday, like we could have gotten a better like entry or stuff like that. But you know on Friday or as markets open on Monday, we have a gap, stuff like that. So that's why, like even for me, I'm always careful picking this entry, this kind of entry. So let's go to the next one. We wait to see what price is going to do. The same thing, GEP card. For GEP card, yeah, GBP card. We have after price invalidates my sell here, we have one BOS, another BOS here too. This second BOS, this second BOS. Yeah, that's one. So this low available as a liquidity, you can sell it below it. So I was expecting, okay, when price got to that POI, I expected a confirmation entry, but price did not give the confirmation. You can see on 1 hour time frame, I have two POI here and here, but this one is the one very close to that engagement. So I'm like, price should use that one, the one close to the engagement. But I did not have a confirmation. Let me check. Okay, this is 15-minute time frame. You can see. I expected that price should take out this high, then pull back. That was what I was expecting. That's on 15-minute time frame. But on 5 minutes time frame, we have different reaction. Okay, on 5 minutes time frame, just like I said, we have different reaction. So I was expecting price coming back to that breaker block, this breaker block, but price did not get there before going higher and higher. So it did not give me an entry. That's why I couldn't pick this trade. So let's go to the next one. Yeah, this is the bigger picture of this community. It's quite bullish coming. So I'm still expecting that it's really up. It is still going on. You can see where I set the final key. This high. So I've even taken out that high. So the mistake I made here, I did not follow the channel. So I was expecting that okay, price should like it will sell, it will buy, it will sell, it will buy. Yeah. So there is a BOS here, a BOS, and there's another BOS here too. So I know these eyes are available as a liquidity. So that was why I was expecting itself from this area, but price invalidated it. Okay, if and what I was expecting was that I expected that price should sell from that area to take out this low. After taking out that low, and it should buy again and continue the bullish momentum. So that was what I anticipated on this, but my like what I expected was invalidated. So right now, do we have a mitigation? We already have a mitigation here. So we are just expecting the continuation. So this POI is still this is available on 1 hour time frame, but let me check the two VOS above to see if on 1 hour time frame no there is a complete mitigation between the VOS. So for now, I don't really have much for now on this. So let me move to the next pair. So the same reaction on GBP odd. As you can see, the same reaction. Yeah, I was expecting price reacting to this, but no. Price said no, not today. You can see it sold for a while and continued the bullish um journey. NSD card, yeah. For NSD card, I have this BOS here, brick of structure, and I have another brick of structure here too. So I already know, okay, this low and average are below it. So I know the price will come back and boom, it will buy. It will buy. And this is on 4 hour time frame. The same thing, I have brick of structure here, USD. I know this is available as liquidity, and above this I too, there's heavy. So I expected that it will sell from that area too. So let's go to 1 hour time frame to have a clearer picture of the structure. Yeah, this is 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, we have this BOS. I have this low to being taken out, and I have this here. So I know when parents mitigate this, I know it will be bad. I think it gave confirmation or something like that, sha. So I was expecting that buy. And the same thing, we have this, you can see BOS and this low too. So I expected an FH above of it. I expected that I will be taken out and mitigate here, but parents did not mitigate it before selling. So that was why I couldn't pick this up. So for this buy, we have this BOS, and FEG equal lows, FEG below it. You can see price actually bought from even when there was in the news was released, it actually bought. So right now, right now, if this we have this already, you can see continuation of the same pattern over and over again. Price mitigate here. So, so we have this I being taken out already. So if price should take out this I too, giving us the second area, then I will be expecting this area from that area to this area to be our POI, and this low will be available as a